Hi, this is Electric Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2012 Kia Sportage, stock number 6924. This ran from the 5th 2010 to the 3rd 2013. It has a G4 KD 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a G4 KD 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front aftermarket 20-inch wheel good tyre. Front bonnet, no dents. Left hand door mirror, some paint fade. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 20-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 20-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door guard, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.